Okay, so I want to talk about why the spine gets compressed when you get hit from behind. Basically what happens is when a car gets hit from behind, the seat pushes into the back of the body, and the body ramps up the back of the seat a little bit. It ramps up, and these spinal bones basically get compressed. And that's how compression happens. And then, because all these moving parts, all of the spine, the neck, and the back are all moving at different times, there's horizontal shear forces going on as well. And so we have compression, shearing. And because the person is usually not sitting perfectly straight in the car, they're either twisted a little bit or turned or talking to the passenger, or the accident's not completely square. There's a little side motion to it. That's going to cause a twisting component as well. So you got compression, you got shearing, you got torque or twisting, and that's really what causes these injuries. It's not simply whiplash back and forth. Anybody can whip their head back and forth. Look at people in a rock concert who are, banging their head, right, whipping their head back and forth. That doesn't cause the injury. Okay, so what happens is compression, loading, shearing, twisting. Okay, it's unphysiological. Your spine's not made to do that. And what happens is these tissues of the spine get torn. And sometimes you notice those injuries, sometimes you don't. So my best advice would be, if you've been in a car accident, go to a professional, get checked out, see if there is injury. If there's not, great. If there is, then you definitely want to get some rehab done. This is Dr. Eric. Thank you for watching.